Tired of everyone seeing everything in your Tableau dashboards? Let's fix that by implementing row-level security, so users only see data relevant to them. First, open your Tableau workbook and navigate to the Data Source tab. This is where we'll set up the foundation for our security. Identify the field that determines which data each user should see. This could be their username, region, department, or anything that links users to specific data. Next, go to the Analysis tab and select Create Calculated Field. This is where the magic happens. Now, create a calculated field using the username function and comparing it to your identifier field. This formula essentially checks if the current user's name matches the value in your data. Name your calculated field something descriptive, like User Filter, and then click OK. Drag the newly created User Filter field onto the Filters shelf. In the Filter window, select True. This ensures that only rows where the username matches the data value are displayed. Publish your workbook to Tableau server or online now. When users log in, they'll only see the data relevant to them, based on their username. Row-level security successfully implemented.